Hi guys, welcome back to Algots. Today in this video we are going to discuss a problem, repeat and missing number array. So this problem is taken from the interview bit, and let's first see what the problem statement is. So in the problem statement it is given that you are given a read-only array. So it means that this array is immutable. Like we can't change the elements present in the given array, and the integers in that array are from 1 to n, and there would be only n integers. So it means that if n is equals to 5, then there would be 5 elements present in this given array, and all the elements would be from 1 to n. Now further it is written that each integers appear exactly once except a, which appears twice, and b, which is missing. So it means that out of these n elements there would be one element a which will come twice in this given array, and there would be one element b which has frequency 0 in this given array. So it means that this element b is missing. So let's say in this given example, for n equal to 5, the elements present in this given array are 1, 2, 3, 3 and 5. So it means that in this array 4 is missing element and this 3 is repeating. So this is the repeating element. So we have to return an array of these two elements which contains duplicate or repeating element and this missing element. So there would be multiple ways of solving this problem, but the problem in this statement is that the given array is final. So it means that we can't do any manipulation in the given array. So we have to think something else to solve this problem. And in this video we are going to solve this problem in big O of n time complexity and big O of 1 extra space. So what would be the approach to solve this problem is we will do two steps to solve this problem. In the step number 1, first of all, we will find the sum of all the elements present in the given array. So in this step, we will find the sum of all the elements. So let's say, so first of all, let's take an example of an array. So let's say for a general integer n, there would be an array given in which small a is a repeating element, so it is present twice in this given array, and all the other elements are x. So it means that x is a set of all the elements from 1 to n except a comma b, where I am taking b as the missing element. And the size of this set x would be n minus 2, because two elements are a, so remaining elements would be n minus 2. So I'm taking this x as a set of all the elements from 1 to n except a and b. So now I can say that the sum of all the elements present in this given array would be, let's call it ts, total sum. So ts would be the sum of all the elements present in this set x. So I can say that the sum of all the elements of x plus 2 into a, because in this given array elements are a and x. So here I am denoting this x as the sum of all the elements present in this given set x, and other elements are only two a's, so it would be 2 into a. But what would be the actual sum of elements from 1 to n? So I want to find the actual sum which would be present if there would be no missing or repeating element. So if I say that if this array consists all the elements from 1 to n, then what would be the sum of that array? So it is nothing but the sum of first n natural numbers. So it would be, let's call it actual sum. So it would be n into n plus 1 by 2. But instead of using this n here, I can also say that it would be x plus a plus b, because in this array x contains all the elements except a and b, so it would be sum of x plus a plus b. So this is my actual sum and this is my total sum. So now what would be the difference of these two? So let's say I want to calculate TS minus AS. So it would be x plus 2a minus x plus a plus b, and this comes out to be a minus b. So I will call this equation as the first equation. Now in the second step, what I have to do is I have to find the sum of squares of all the elements present in that given array. So it means that we have to find sum of squares of elements in array. So now what would be this? As we are seeing that our array A is x comma a comma a. So what would be the sum of squares of elements present in this given array? So let's call it total sum of squares. So let's call it TSS. So it would be sum of all the elements present in this set X and square of those all elements plus a square plus a square. So it would be nothing but x square plus 2a square. Now if there would be no missing or repeating element, that means this array consists of all the elements from 1 to n, then what would be the sum? So it is nothing but the sum of squares of first n natural numbers. So it would be, let's call it ASS, actual square sum. So instead of writing this sum in terms of n, I would like to write this sum in terms of x, a and b. So I can say that x square plus a square plus b square. So subtracting these two equations, what I can get is TSS minus ASS would be, it would become x square plus 2a square minus x square plus a square plus b square. So it comes out to be a square minus b square. So even instead of using this TS and A's, I can say that this a minus b is equals to capital X, and let's call this equation as 1, and here I can say that a square minus b square equals to capital Y, and this is the second equation. Now what's our main goal? So I should write these equations here also. A minus b equals to x and a square minus b square equals to y. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So now what's our main goal? Our main goal is to find values of a and b. So here by using some mathematics we can find these two values. So how can we expand this equation to? We can write it as a minus b into a plus b equals to y, and by using equation 1 we can say that a minus b equals to x. So directly a plus b would become y divided by x. Now let's call this equation as 3. So now by using equation 1 and 3 we can say that a minus b is equals to x and a plus b is equals to y divided by x. So on adding these two equations we would found the value of a, which would be 2a equal to x plus y divided by a. So a would be x plus y by x divided by 2, and similarly we can find the value of b also. So b would become a minus x by using equation 1. So it would be basically a of value is x plus y divided by x by 2 minus x, and on expanding these equations we can get the final result. So in this way we can find the value of a and b by using just big O of one space, which is for storing the values of these x and y's, and by using single loop on the given array we can find the TSS and TS. So in this way we can solve this problem in big O of n time complexity and by using big O of one extra space.